Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Me, Simon, I'm going to be doing a product review on this Kitchenaid dishwasher here in black stainless steel. Model number is KDTM 404 EBS. We're going to start out on the outside. It's going to be fingerprint resistant, kind of like most of Kitchenaid stuff. It's be the print shield are fingerprint resistant, and then it's got this really nice satin finished handle here as well, and it does have the Kitchenaid medallions on the side as well, so you can see that little piece de resistance, I guess you could call it. So we're going to start off with the functions. Starting left to right, we're going to go with the Pro Wash first off. So the Pro Wash, what that does, it measures the soil level of your dishes, and then it will therefore dispense and the correct amount of water to combat that. So going along, we have a speed cycle called the Express Wash. Now, they claim that the Express Wash should wash your dishes just as as dirty as they will be, and they'll do it in less than half the amount of time as the regular wash, which is pretty great. Sounds too good to be true, but they say that's what they'll do. And then we're going to go along to the Pro Dry here. Now this has the recessed heating element within the dishwasher itself that will it'll completely dry everything out, all your plastics, everything like that, so you don't need to dry it with a kitchen towel after it comes out. And then moving on to the ProScrub options here. ProScrub is essentially these 40 different jets all the way in the back here. I don't know if the camera can catch them, but all the way in the back there. Now what that does is they say that with those jets being in there, you don't need to pre-rinse anything that you put in the dishwasher. It'll actually use those 40 different jets on the back, and it'll wash both the top and the bottom, ProScrub, all the stuff. Now, moving on to the spray arm. It does have, as you can see, 9 different spray arms, so it should wash your dishes 3 times as good as any other dishwasher. That's another claim that they made. Now moving on to the lower basket, we have this right here. So you can either open it wider so you can fit low bowls in there, or something that's a little bit wider, or you can put it like this and you can probably slide side plates in as well. And then we also have this rack here, which you can either collapse to here, or we can flatten it all the way back, or in fact it can come all the way down as well to give you a little extra room there. Both the lower rack and the top rack have their own glided rails, which is super nice as well. Moving up top, we have collapsible rack on this side, collapsible rack on this side as well. So that really actually does maximize your space if you get both of those either flat or down, or you can actually use them if you need more space for cups and glasses and stuff. Speaking of glasses, we have these for long stem wine glasses, or anything that has a longer stem. You can put the stem right in there, and you can slant it to the side as well. Also, the racks are adjustable. They go up and they go down. Pretty standard stuff. And then onto the top right here, we have the third rack, which you can either use for longer utensils, spatulas, cooking knives, or whatever it might be up here. Or what I would do is I would try and utilize this space. I would remove the caddy and actually just line up my silverware up here, to be honest. That's what I think would be the most effective way, but to each his own. And that that does create that little extra space for anything that you might have that might need to go down there as well. Also, what's really cool about this, it does have a clean wash water system. So essentially what that does, it removes food and particles from the water, so it doesn't actually reuse it. It will flush out all the food particles and all that stuff, so you will have fully clean water when you're going back into your washing all your dishes, so you're not re-washing it with dirty water or anything like that, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's all I have. Obviously there's a ton of stuff on this dishwasher, and we have it all listed on our website on appliancefactory.com. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.